This video will assist you with the installation of the Smart Code touchpad keyless entry lever. Before we get started, you will need the contents of the box, a Phillips screwdriver, and 4 AA batteries. First, you will need to install the latch. Be sure that the tapered edge of the latch is pointed towards the door jamb. Please note that you may need to adjust the latch to the longer length. To do this, place one finger on each side of the back pin in the latch and slide to the appropriate length. Remove the battery cover from the assembly by sliding up. Next, remove the battery case by lifting up and out. Set both of these parts aside for later. Place the exterior assembly flush onto the door. Make sure to thread the wire under the latch assembly. Take the wire and thread it through the hole at the top of the mounting plate. Using the 2 long brass Phillips head screws, tighten the mounting plate to the door. Please note to make sure that the exterior assembly and the plate are flush and vertically aligned. Install the half spindle through the latch, making sure to push it all the way in to engage the exterior assembly. You may need to push any excess wire aside to insert the half round spindle. Insert the connector into the corresponding port in the back of the interior assembly. Please note that on the top of the connector there will be a notch that must slide into the slot on the port. Once aligned, push the connector in firmly to connect. Next, tuck any excess wire back into the slot. Place the interior assembly on the door, aligning the spindles with the spindle slots in the interior assembly. Once flush with the door, insert and tighten small screws into the mounting plate. Install the interior lever, screwing the set screw counterclockwise. Next, to install the outer lever, first you need to remove the key from the cylinder. Insert the cylinder into the lever shaft, making sure the sleeve of the cylinder is positioned to the keyway. Please note, the cylinder will not seat back fully at this time. Slide the lever on the shaft, aligning the ribs inside the lever with the lever shaft. Please note that the lever will not align with the screws yet. Insert the key into the cylinder and turn clockwise to the horizontal position. Then press the lever to seat into the assembly. With the key still in the horizontal position, proceed to tighten the set screws clockwise to secure the lever. Please note that the key must be turned to the clockwise position in order for the unit to function properly. Also note, you will not be able to rotate the key back counterclockwise until the set screw is fully engaged with the lever. Finally, you will need to test the unit. To do this, you will need to twist the interior thumb turn as though you were locking or unlocking the unit. If the unit will not turn to lock or unlock, the exterior lever will need to be reinstalled. You will need to turn the key counterclockwise to the horizontal position. Next, you will need to loosen the set screw and pull the lever away from the unit about a 1/4 inch. Rotate the key 180 degrees clockwise around and push the lever back to seat and tighten the set screw. Test the locking and the unlocking function of the unit and repeat if required. For additional consumer support, please visit our website at www.kwikset.com or email us at kwikset@bdhhi.com. Or to reach a technical support agent, please contact us at 1-800-327-5625. Thank you for choosing Kwikset.